Hi, I'm Joan from Slaughterbeck Floors, and today we're going to tackle a challenging subject, the difference between vinyl and linoleum. I say that way because people get frequently mixed up between the difference of linoleum and vinyl. So what are the products and why did they come about? Linoleum was something that we used in our homes for many years, but it needs to be maintained, and that is why vinyl came to surface. But what is linoleum made out of? Linoleum is a green product. It's a sustainable product. It's made from linseed oil pressed from flax plant. It's made from wood flour, which is a byproduct of the lumber industry, and resins from pine forests. The colors come from natural pigments, so it's all green. It has a jute back, which is also a natural product. It only comes in widths of 6'6", and it does need to be periodically maintained or waxed, or a dressing put on it. Vinyl is a completely man-made product. It's a rotogravure process, that's what they call it. It has a coating on it, it has a picture on it, and it can have tile looks. It has a cushioned back, and usually it's a felt back on the back, and it also can come in a wood look. It does not need to be maintained. It's usually referred to as no wax. And it comes in a variety of colors and shapes. This also, vinyl comes 6 foot wide and 12 foot wide, which in some instances is advantageous because you don't have to have seams in some 12 foot wide rooms.